Hi, this is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. In this video of custom QuickBooks training, I want to show you how to reconcile your account in QuickBooks Online. You may have heard of reconciling. I just want to give you a brief overview of what it means, how it works, and why you're doing it. Reconciling is the act of comparing your QuickBooks against your bank statement. That's different than coming over here to banking and saying, all right, I have this list of stuff that I need to organize and put away. That's not reconciling. Reconciling is when you grab your bank statement. Let me show you mine. Now that I have my bank statement, I'm going to compare my bank statement against my QuickBooks. I am going to put this on my second screen to make it easier for me, but I want you to see it before I do that. So this is Example Bank USA, not our real bank account. Our pretend statement goes to Mary Jane Smith. I probably could change that to say Craig's Landscaping, but I think you get the idea. Our statement starts on May 1st and it ends on May 30th. Our ending balance is 4925. There's only 2 transactions on our statement. There's one deposit for $175 and there's one check for $250. In your actual bank statement, you're likely to have more transactions. This statement is simplified for the purpose of just showing you how it works in QuickBooks. Let me go back to QuickBooks now. So now that I'm in QuickBooks, there's a couple ways that I can go about getting to the Reconcile screen. I'm just going to show you one of them. On the left-hand gray bar, I'm going to hover over Accounting, and then I'm going to click on Reconcile. When I click on Reconcile, I get a couple pop-ups. Get rid of those. It says the beginning balance is $5,000. That matches my statement. My ending balance, QuickBooks is asking me what the ending balance is. Let me show you. My ending balance is $4,925, and I know that because I saw it on my bank statement. My bank statement is dated 5/30/20, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that. The next step is to click on Start Reconciling. When I do this, I have a list of 3 transactions. When you do this, you might have a longer list. If you have a long list like this, just click over here on the left-hand side, Reset Statement Ending Date. On my statement, I'm going to check off everything that appears on my statement. If it does not appear on my statement, I do not put a check mark to the right of it. Now that I'm done checking everything off, I can see my difference is $0. What that means is that in QuickBooks, my beginning reconciled balance minus the money I paid out plus the money I deposited equals my cleared balance. The statement ending balance, the number I took off my statement and keyed into QuickBooks, minus my cleared balance is a difference of $0. That's our objective. One thing you'll notice is that there's $300 here that did not get checked off. Whenever you have something that doesn't get a check mark to the right, that means it did not show up on your bank statement. It could be that you made a mistake and something got entered twice, or it could be as simple as I wrote a check and it hasn't yet been cashed. This statement is dated the end of May. My pretend check was dated the end of April. I'm venturing a guess that Robertson and whomever, they just haven't gotten around to cashing the check yet. If you see stuff that's uncleared and you think to yourself, that's definitely gone into the bank, if it's a deposit, or if you say that's definitely come out of the bank if it's a withdrawal, then I want you to take a look around your QuickBooks because it might be that it's entered twice. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to find those things, but I do want you to know that it is a red flag if you have stuff sitting here for a very long time that never gets checked off. All right, to finish, we click on Finish Now in the upper right-hand corner. And that's it. We've reconciled the account. Thank you so much. If you have questions, please leave a comment, send me an email, or schedule an appointment. Thank you.